binabasa ko yung news. Wina-warning ni Pangulo na grounding planes due to fuel shortage is a possibility. Pero sabi naman ng DOE, hindi raw. So gusto kong malaman ang totoo. Kung accurate ba yung sinabi ni Presidente that airplanes will be grounded or not? Huwag na yung masalimuot na sagot. Magaground ba? At ito ba'y distinct possibility? Maski ba distinct for a posibilidad? Kasi sinabi ni Pangulo na maaring the planes will be grounded. Pero sabi naman ng DOE, hindi, it's okay. So, problema ba? May posibilidad ba? Or wala naman palang problema, iparating nyo sa Office of the President. Maraming gusto kong maintindihan dahil iba yung nababasa ko sa news, iba yung naririnig ko sa hearing, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, last night, it was 6 o'clock, they confirmed to us that meron siyang fuel. So if it's because of fuel, it will not be grounded. Maybe on the price or a commercial decision on their part. Pero yung availability dito sa Pilipinas, meron pong fuel, yung jet fuel yung ating mga airlines.
Okay. It just gave me more confusion, Mr. Chair, because I'm reading the President's statements, at least based on the news, grounding planes due to fuel shortage in several news reports. But the DOE is in our hearing saying that it's not true. So we leave it at that. Hindi ko pagpipilitan yung nababasa ko online. I am just confused.